Hello, and welcome to Kevin's Wild Wacky World. Today we're setting up a tent. Yep. Came in this box from Amazon. Alrighty. This is the Nightcat one-person tent, and it was sent via Amazon Direct. Nice little bag so far. Oh, interesting strap setup. Could be nice to be able to strap other things to it. User manual. Let's see if we need that or not. We'll find out shortly. Really nicely how it's wrapped. And I'm guessing that's the door side. Keep track of how it's wrapped so I can know how to put it back in. That is one interesting rain fly. Well, not really a rain fly. Cover for the ventilation area, I guess, would be the best way to put it. Very, compared to my other tents, very lightweight, which is a nice thing if you're going to be hiking or tenting, biking a tent. Normally I do put down a tarp just to keep the bottom of a tent protected. Helps keep them newer. I do that with almost any tent. I take one with me. If it does start really raining and the tent's not sufficient, which we haven't tested this one, it's brand new. First time putting it together. Alrighty. There's two poles, that's pretty normal. Let's find the end here. There's the end. We're guessing it goes through this sleeve. Pretty standard fare on how to set up a tent. I could probably do this one in my sleep, blindfolded. So far. No gotchas. Run the hole through. Making sure to keep those connection points together. The nice thing about the tarp too is it keeps you from having to set up on the ground and keeps your clothes a little cleaner. Alrighty, I think that's how that one goes. Now let's put in the other one. Again, this is the Nightcat, one person. I call it a bike tent, but it's called a backpacking tent. Just lightweight, one person, And I haven't set into it yet, but it appears to have plenty enough room for gear too. Right. Alrighty. Get in there. Oops. I seem to have strung it under the moss a little bit. Almost there. Ha! Starting to look like a tent. Just a few adjustments here and there to get them to slide into place. Stake this bad boy down. Make sure the tarp's completely under it. Don't want the tarp to act as a bathtub. Where is that ring fly? There we go. Well, that's interesting. It's actually attached in one spot. Permanently, so you can't lose it. Just hook it on the other 3 spots. Not a bad little tent. Sorry, the film's getting shaky here. You can see my camera bag there and my tripod. I took the camera off so we could go around the tent so you could see all the angles. And yeah, I'm walking around in the woods, so it's shaky. I apologize. I did activate the stabilizer, so imagine what it'd be like without the stabilizer. But seriously, it's not a bad little tent. It's one I'm going to be taking on bike trips and hiking trips. And I do like the little night cat. Well, to me, it almost looks like a fox mixed with a cat in anime style. But it's the night cat tent. Gotta like that symbol and everything. So we're going to load it up here. I walked and got the gear to load it up. My sleeping bag, blanket, 2 thermarests. It's supposed to get about in the mid 30s tonight, so I kind of wanted to have enough gear to stay warm. My old thermarest, and then got the blanket with that old cheetah pattern from the 60s. Yes, my gear's old. Well, my gear, that tent is the first new gear I've had for a long time. That old thermarest, the inflatable one right there that I'm inflating, is probably 35, 40 years old. It's time for me to get a new one of those too, but it keeps working, so it's like uh, I want to get one that's I don't have to carry two around, because the two together are padding enough, but one by itself just doesn't cut it anymore. I'm hitting that age where I like a little bit more padding. But between it, that sleeping bag, the other sleeping bag, and the blanket, I should be cozy for the night. So, just about ready to end this video. If you would, you see that button marked subscribe down there? Click it. It really does help. And if you like it, click the like button. If you don't like it, I don't care. Click the don't like button. But I try to make things that are agreeable to most people. That night cat symbol still. Again, that subscribe button down there. Click it. And have a great day from Kevin's Wild Wacky World.